This was me, the first time I did drum breaks. But then I discovered this tool, which has done wonders for my mental health. Let me show you what I mean. So easy your granny could do it. So when I do drum breaks, it's normal for my blood pressure to spike massively. But with this tool, my pressure stays within the normal range. Now we know this tool can remove the springs, but installing new springs can be a tad bit more difficult. So let's see what happens. Alright, it's basically in there. I just have to knock it in with something. I'll just use my pliers. Okay, so that knocked it in. These springs can be a pain in the... So you guys get the picture. I'll leave a link to this tool in the description below if you're interested. And if you do decide to invest in any drum break tools at all, make sure they're high quality and not cheap tools from China, because many of those tools will break on you the very first time you use them.